Okay, this is a big one. Style queries landed in Safari 18, Chrome 1.11, and now Firefox 1.5.1, making them newly available in all major engines. Here's one of the problems they solve. Let's say we've got a banner component, but we want its style to change based on a tone set by some parent component. We could try and do that with classes, so if there's like a parent with class tone normal, the banner is white, and if there's a parent with class tone warning, the banner is orange and the text is bold. But this doesn't work. Due to the CSS cascade, even though tone warning is further away in the DOM, because it's defined later in the style sheet, it wins. This banner will be orange. You can work around this with CSS scope. Now, CSS scopes have different rules. It's DOM closest that wins. So the banner will be correctly white, but the font will still be bold, and that's because the normal state didn't override it. Now, you could continue to fight this by ensuring that all tones set the same properties, but there is a better way. Instead of basing this on classes, we can base it on custom properties. And in our banner, we can use container style queries to query the value of the tone property and style based on that. Now, tone can only have one value, so if there are multiple values in the cascade, the closest one wins. And unlike the scope solution, this works across shadow boundaries, meaning this works within a shadow DOM, even if the tone value is set outside of it. Now, there are a couple of things to watch out for. When you use a style query, you are querying the value on the parent element, not the element itself. And this is because if you style an element based on its own styles, you can create an infinite loop. The second thing to note is that style queries can only query custom properties. In the spec, the feature is designed to work with any property, but right now, browsers only support custom properties. Despite that, this is a huge addition to the web platform, and there's lots of it I haven't covered here. So as always, check out MDN for the full documentation.